What's going on, guys? You already know this your boy Shorty Red here. Right now, we're doing something real exclusive for you guys, all right? Real exclusive. I'm gonna show you exactly how you use your smarts and use a little bit of money and go ahead and put something nice together, all right? So check this out. We right here at L Train Vintage, right here in Brooklyn, Classon and Pacific. You know what I'm saying? This home base right here. Shout out to all my Brooklynites, you already know. But yeah, for all those out there that have a little bit of money and you just trying to put something nice together and you just trying to keep pushing, I'm gonna show you how to do it, man. I'm gonna get 2 outfits. I'm gonna put it together for you. I'm gonna see what it is. You already know. You guys can like, comment, share, whatever. Yay or nay, you know, whatever it is, let me know what it is. But I'm gonna show you how you put something together at a real cheap rate and make it look dope, you know what I'm saying? So nobody will never know. All the Gucci and all the Prada, you can do that, you know what I'm saying? All that's a plus. But use your swag, use your smarts, use your style, use your class to go ahead and put something together, you know what I'm saying? And go ahead and lights, camera, action with it, you feel me? Let's go, y'all.
What they say? American made? That's American flaky.
Yeah. So pretty much gonna my browse through real quick. You know, this spot right here shows you all the vintage stuff like tees. You know what I'm saying? You know all the 80s shit, man. So you got jeans over here. I know y'all remember the Levi's. You know, the LL Bean, all your good classic polo jeans. It's all here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see what I could work with. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? See, these is pretty fire right here. Carhartt. Yeah. What I think about these? Carhartt? Yeah. Good brand, right? Alright, look. Do something real simple, you know what I'm saying? Just play with it, play with your pieces. We call them pieces, we play with them, you know what I'm saying? So, let me see, we got some good jeans over here. Pretty dope.
Whether you're running miles or running meters, elevate how you hydrate.
Yeah, all these good leather jackets. You know, get your Bruce Willis on, you feel me? Shit, motorcycle jackets. Everything is like, it's not brand new, you know what I'm saying? But it's like clean, it's washed. Everything is, you know what I'm saying? The materials are still good, so, you know what I'm saying? It's that vintage shit, it's that vintage look, baby. It's good. You know?
Your moment has arrived. It's time to shed the normal day-to-day version of yourself and let your most fabulous self live. Because whatever your idea of fabulous is, this is where you'll find it. Wind Creek, Bethlehem. It's
trying to see something.
Must be 21 years of age. Every problem, call 1-800-GAMP.
Got these. You know, I know about those classics. Need a good vintage jacket, man. You know, might go with something over here.
I like the elbow patches. It's kind of fun. I feel like it's like similar, but. Well, I just red.
Rock this. This is hard. Yeah. You know, just looking, you know, trying to see what's. I love these nice, the long sleeves. It's like you're at home chilling, you know, dad at home chilling, you know. This is hard too, the good leather. Oh, yes, I know y'all remember these. What y'all know about these? Biggie style. BIGPOPPA. It's crazy. Let me see. hard, that's hard. Yeah, so you know, I'm trying to figure out what good jacket. You know what I'm saying? I love these joints. And I know y'all remember back in the day, we used to wear oversized, you know what I'm saying? Like 4 times bigger than what we used to rock them. Yeah. So you know, right now, you know, due to the strikes, we don't want to get striked or whatever. We gonna cut the video and I'm gonna show you guys the ending part, whatever I pick out. You know what I'm saying? All right, stay tuned, guys. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple outfits right now. Bring it up, throw it on. Let me know what you guys think, man. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's the vintage look, man. It's the 90s look. Before you had all your extra designers, this is what we was doing. Baggy, grungy, you know. But that's what we was doing. That was the style, man. That was the era. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe do you need the bag?
Yes, please. Yeah. So this is it, y'all. Let me know what y'all think, man. You know, just came out, put this together. I probably spent no more than $100. You know what I'm saying? The boots, you already know. This is that look from Biggie, rest in peace. Big Pun, Big L. You know what I'm saying? All the guys, Nori. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Everybody was, you know what I mean, rocking this look, rough, raw, rugged. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Like, this is the a couple of fighter wings, you know, good patches on it. You know, this is how you do it with this jacket.
I'm so sorry.
As far as the rucker shirt, you know what I'm saying? We've been rocking that. As far as the jeans, I know y'all been seeing like this. Like we wearing the jeans real big. You know what I'm saying? And of course, I'm gonna do like my man Jim Jones do. You gotta have the good Timbs on, man. You know, you gotta have those on. You gotta keep the laces all rugged. You know, this is the look. Let me show y'all. Let me school you. Just sit down, like, comment, subscribe, pay attention, man. If you don't have much money, you know what I'm saying, but you know how to put it together, it all makes sense, bro. Just put it together. You know what I'm saying? Put your swag, put your uniqueness to the test. You know what I'm saying? Every time, go with colors, go with, you know, certain errors. You know what I mean? And patterns and things like that. You know what I mean? This is how you get fly. This is how you style yourself. You know what I'm saying? And yes, matter of fact, I think I got another outfit for you guys. So just hold on 1 second. Let me go back inside and let me change up. And I'm gonna show you how to do it again. All right? Hold on 1 second. All right? Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, so this is back for round 2, you know what I mean? I picked out a nice.
Honestly, nobody does. Way of life is to see things clear. Slow down. Shift your gears. Broken hearted. Keep grinding, baby. Keep pushing through. Keep reaching for the stars. Stay humble and keep grinding, baby. Keep pushing through. I had to sit through the pain, I had nobody to blame, didn't have nobody to call, I had to speak to these strings. Had a show that night but police caught me hopping the train. Tried to hope for the sun, it seemed like here come the rain. It was like cinder blocks on my feet, how I'm drowning, baby. I know I'm due for a blessing, I've been down lately. Keep pushing forward, stay focused, it ain't no turning back. Take your mistakes in life and you can learn from that. Way of life is to see things clear. Slow down. Shift your gears. Broken hearted. Keep grinding, baby. Keep pushing through. Keep reaching for star, stay humble and keep grinding, baby. Keep pushing through.